What do you have it in?
I have it in first.
What are you gonna do?
Easy.
Easy, everything. Let off that clutch really slow and at the same pace. Go like this. You're scared, aren't you? You should be. Too much, too much. Oh, he got it. Get out of the lawn. Start turning. What a beautiful sunset. Oh my God. Oh my God. Well, today's episode of how to be a dad while being a brother. I just thought this little pecker had how to fucking ride a dirt bike. I'm fucking proud of myself. Fuck this. I got fucking bugs in my ass. You know, little shit. I hope you don't show me Annie or Uncle Stevie. I'm fucking proud of myself. Oh yeah. And this is me, not. Oh, remember when you told Miss Sadowski that I don't give you attention? Yeah, I remember that. Peckerhead. Freaking act like this more. Might take you out on some freaking trail rides. That is, if you have a smaller bike and you can learn how to upshift. But I'm not teaching you how to upshift now because that'll kill you. Oh, there you go. Aftermarket exhaust, FMM, here we come.